Iyabulisa Nxilimbela Maxesibe, I trust you're well. After hearing all these serious allegations made by Untanda Mkhwanazi and Fanny Masemola, I believe we have no business in voting for ANC. Whoever is going to vote for ANC today is not doing it with their pure intentions. They are waiting for their loot, getting tenders illegally or fraudulently, or waiting for a municipal job. You know, isivi yakwamasipala ihamba kanjani. You know, we don't need to highlight that. So I'm saying to black people, just analyze, do your own analysis and research. You will realize that we've been sold a lie. White people, they developed South Africa. ANC inherited a fully functional country. They failed to develop it furthermore, to take it to greater heights and greener pastures. So we're still going to vote for those people. Today, they are enslaving people, paying them 700 rand for EPWP jobs, whatever. How does that make logical sense to you? Mna personally, I'm not saying you, I'm talking about me. Me, I will never work for a black person. Never.